Hello people, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm super excited. We are going to assemble the bunk beds. We are going to have a bunk bed. The kids for a long time, they've been asking for bunk beds. They've been wanting a bunk bed, and today we finally got a bunk bed, and we will be assembling all the woods to form the beds for them. I am super excited. But then at this point in time, we just could not find the manual. Out of excitement, maybe we kept it somewhere and we couldn't figure out exactly where we kept the manual. So we've searched and searched, not finding the manual. We decided to go on to fix the stick wood to wood in order to form the bunk bed. I tell you, the process was hard. It took us some time because when you are trying to do something without manual, oh my god, it means you are trying to use your head to figure out, where do I put this stick, where do I fix this one. It was a tough process. It was really a tough process, but then let's keep doing our best. So friends, just keep watching and see how we were able to fix this bunk beds. I'm super happy. I'm happy because this bed, when we saw it on the internet, I mean, it looks like a small bed, like just something for the kids, kids of let's say from 6 years and above. But then when the beds came, oh my goodness, I mean, looking at this bed now, I can even tell you that even an adult can use this bunk bed. Yes, an adult can actually use this bunk bed. It actually came in a big way. I'm super excited. It means they are going to use it for a very long time. So guys, let us keep fixing this amazing bunk bed. Keep watching. Wow, our bunk bed is really taking its shape and form. Look at that. Yes, we just fixed the top part of it. I mean, it's really looking like a bunk bed now, because when we started, we were like, how do we fix this thing? Is it going to come out nice? Is it going to be a bunk bed? Well, look at it right now. Yes, wood to wood, perfectly fixed. Oh my goodness. The process is hard, like I said. Working without a manual, I have learned a lesson, and the lesson is, when next you buy something, please just keep your manual in a place that you can easily figure out, because without the manual, you will need to figure out it with your own head. So, but we are doing our best. We are doing our best. Yes, fixing the knots to secure the wood. This is very important. I mean, it came with so many knots, and these knots, you know, the shape of the knots, maybe your screwdriver might not be able to, I don't know, but it came with something that you can use to screw in the knot into the wood. So we tried our best. We used all those things, and we made sure that all the knots are properly secured. So you can see we are building already the top part of the bed. The bed is almost done. The bed is almost done. Almost done. Almost done. We are still fixing the knots. This is very important, because it's a bunk bed. So make sure the knots are properly fixed. I mean, make sure the knots are properly fixed. Oh my God, look at our bunk beds. Look at the bunk beds. It is taking its form and shape. I told you guys, this bunk bed is super big. It's so big, even an adult can sleep on it. Yes, I mean, I can't wait to jump on this bed, but definitely not the top one. Not the top one. No. I'm going to try the down one. Why not? I will try the up one too, the upper part of it. That's why it's bunk bed, right? So guys, but anyway, look at this bunk bed. It's taking its form, its shape, its size. Goodness, I am super excited. Wow. Make sure you put in the screws very well. This is very important. It helps you to secure the wood. It helps the woods, you know, to be firm. Yay! I am super excited. We are almost done with the beds, the bunk beds. Oh my goodness, look at it. We are already fixing the down part of it. It's already looking like a bed. It's already looking like a bed. Like, I feel like jumping on this bed at this point in time. Oh my goodness, we did an amazing job. Look at the height of this bunk bed. Look at the size of this bunk bed. This bunk bed, I mean, I'm so surprised because on the internet it wasn't looking this big. We didn't even know it would be this big. We thought it's going to be like, you know, a little smaller than this, but then it came in this perfect size. Oh my god, I'm just loving everything about this bunk bed, and the kids are super excited. They just cannot wait to start using this bunk bed, to jump on it, you know. Oh my goodness. So like I said, every knot is to be fixed properly. I mean, this is what helps you to secure wood to wood. So we are at the top side of it now, and here we are. That is it. That's how to make a bunk bed, you know. That's how to fix a bunk bed, you know. This is how to fix a bunk bed. Yes, this is a ladder. You can see the ladder somewhere, but not yet time for the ladder. And we are going to fix the other part that will secure the mattress of the bed. Yes, and this is how to fix. I mean, this is how to assemble a bunk bed. Check out. What do you guys think? I mean, we did a good job. I am super excited. And here we have our beautiful bunk beds. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm just feeling like a child at this point in time. I want to jump on this bed. I just want to jump on this bed. This is super excited. The knots are very important. Make sure you fix your knots properly well to secure the wood to wood, because these are just wood you are keeping on top of another wood. And this is the bunk bed. Look at the ladder. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's start using our bunk beds. Hooray! We have a bunk bed. Bye guys. I hope it's not hard fixing a bunk bed. So this is how to assemble a bunk bed. Bye guys.